last video we are seeing your r of x is exponential function, how to find the particular integral using the method of undetermined coefficient. In this video, if your r of x is polynomial, how to find the particular integral using method of undetermined coefficients. So here first step, I want to know that what is the degree of the polynomial. So if a non-homogeneous part p of x is a polynomial, then first step I want to know what is the degree of the polynomial. Degree of p of x, I assume that is n. N is the degree of the polynomial. Now here also here some three cases will be there. First case, if 1 is not the set of all fundamental solution, then your guess the particular integral yp equal to c0 times x power n plus c1 times x power n minus 1 plus c2 times x power n minus 2 plus and so on cn times 1. That is, this is your guess. Okay. So what is the meaning? 1 is the fundamental solution means, so 0 is not a solution of the characteristic equation. That is it. This is your first case. Okay. So the second case, if 1 is in the set of fundamental solution, solution, then your yp, that is, you are going to choose your yp as x times the same thing, c0 times x power n plus c1 times x power n minus 1 plus c2 times x power n minus 2 and so on cn. Okay, this is your, whenever the 0 is the solution of the characteristic equation, then you want to write it. Okay, the case 3 is if 1 and x, okay, this case x is not in the fundamental solution. Okay, in this case f1 and x are in the set of fundamental solution. Then your yp is x square times same thing c0 times x power n, c1 times x power n minus 1, c2 times x power n minus 2 and so on cn. Okay, so whenever you have the polynomial in your right hand side, then your yp must be belong to these three forms. Okay, now we are going to see some few examples how to solve the differential properties polynomial function. See example. Y double prime plus y equal to 32 times x cube. Now what is my solution? Okay, I want to solve this guy. Okay, the first step I want to write the homogeneous equation to the corresponding given equation. Okay, so what is my equation become? My equations become y double prime plus y equal to 0. I named that the equation number is 1. Then the characteristic equation of one is m square plus 1 equal to 0. This implies m equal to plus or minus I. So what is the then fundamental solution of the equation 1? Fundamental solution is y1 equal to cos x, y2 equal to sin x, correct? Then, so what is the complementary function here? The complementary function is yc equal to the linear combination of y1 and y2. So I take it a times cos x plus b times sin x, correct? Then, and my next aim is I want to find the particular integral. So I want to see the what is the degree of the polynomial. So degree of the polynomial is degree of p of x is 3, then my yp equal to, because the 1 and x is not in the part of your fundamental solution, so you assume that yp is c0 times x cube plus c1 times x square plus c2 times x plus c3. Okay, then yp prime is 3 times c0 x square plus 2 times c1x plus c2. Yp double prime equal to 6 times c0 x plus 2 times c1. Then our equation is yp y double prime plus y equal to 32 times x cube. This is my given equation. I am going to apply the y in terms of yp, then it becomes 6 times c0 times x plus 2 times c1 plus c0 times x cube plus c1 times x square plus c2 times x plus c3 equal to 32 times x cube. Now I want to make the coefficient way, then c0 times x cube plus c1 times x square plus c2 plus 6 times c0 times x plus 2c1 plus c3 equal to 32 times x cube. Now comparing the coefficients, so c0 equal to 32, c1 is 0, c2 plus 6 times c0 equal to 0, 2 times c1 plus c3 equal to 0. So then you apply c2 equal to minus 6 times 32 is nothing but 1 minus 1 times 92, minus 1 times 92, that is your c2. From this c1 is 0, this implies c3 is 0. So then your yp is (32 times x cube minus 192 times x. This is my yp. Then general solution is y equal to yc plus yp. Then yc is a times cos x plus b times sin x plus 32 times x cube minus 192 times x. This is my general solution of the given differential equation. Okay, so I hope this video you understand that whenever your right hand side, that is non-homogeneous part, is the polynomial solution of the any differential equation. So coming video we will see other cases. Thank you for watching this video.